Good afternoon, guys. So, I'm trying something interesting today on one of my Husqvarna slightly larger saws with one of my 380s. This is a 380S, so points ignition system, and it's not been cutting with this bar and chain setup. It's not been cutting as well as my 280 or my 480 or the thing in the back is a 285, so that's a monster and that just cuts amazing. So, but a chap I know in Germany, Carl, hello Carl, he cuts trees for a living in Germany in the forest there, in the Black Forest, and so is a huge Husqvarna fan. Has, I don't know how many saws you currently have, Carl. Ich hoffe, du bist und deine Family sehr gut, Carl. Und vielen Dank für das. Es ist Kettenschnittwinkel. Ist das korrekt? Chainsaw cutting angles. Kettenschnittwinkel, I think. I know. I know deine English is besser als mein Deutsch. Thank goodness, your English is much better than my Deutsch, my German. So thanks for the cutting angles. So I've put them on the chain. So I've altered the head angle for this semi-chisel chain, as you said, and taken the gullet out like you've instructed. So I'll try it again. So, okay. So I've got some, 14-inch timber. It's strange, some of the semi-chisel chains I've cut with on my Husqvarnas they just don't seem to remove material like some of the full chisel chains. And I know they aren't quite as aggressive in the cut, but seemed unusually slow. So anyway, I'm looking forward to trying it. I've just taken it off of the bench sharpener, and let's see how she cuts. I can't wait to try. Kill switch. Okay, that's really interesting. That is definitely quicker cutting. So, what did I change? So, on the head angle on the sharpener, typically these would be running it for most of the chains. A lot of them vary between 50 and 60 degrees depending on the make of the chain you have. So on this older style semi-chisel, I was told to put the head at 75 degrees and squaring off the cut slightly. I've opened out the gullet, so that's it, a strict 30 degrees, and I've taken the rakers down a point, they're at 0.7, and I think I might take them down. Carl, I know you said 0.6, so I think I'll take them down a little further. It's not too aggressive in the cut. It seems to cut really, really progressive and clean. Not still not as quick as the 280 or the 480, but then they've both got full chisel chains. So interesting, but definitely quicker. So that's really, really good to see. That's really good to see. Okay guys, so it's just an interesting piece of information to pass on about some of the chain geometry and how changing the angles, if you sharpen your chain with a bench grinder, their head angle can make a real significant difference, obviously, particularly on some of the older, like on a Cox chipper chain, it's in fact critical to get the angle right, but on some of these slightly older 1980s chains, 1970s chains, obviously that makes a difference. Alright guys, I'm going to take the rakers down a bit further and I'm going to try it again, this time at 0.6. Bye for now.